Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design modern R-letter logo by using golden circle, and also show you how to make golden circle. So friends, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comment section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial. So start the video. So first write R letters. Make it bigger for better understand. Now I will design modern R-letter logo by using golden ratio circle. So we first make golden circle. For that, you need to take first rectangular tool and draw a square. Now copy the square and place this at square bottom equally. Again, draw a square equal to the two square. Doing it like that. Okay, that's good. Now draw a circle in every square. So, take ellipse tool and draw a circle in the middle of these square. Okay, that's good. Now select all circles by hold Shift. And make it middle align center, and keep aside from the square like that. Now delete the C square. So this is golden circles. Now I will design modern R-letter logo by this. So keep watching. So first select the two smaller circles from the golden circle and keep aside it. Now select this and make it horizontal align right. Make it group. Again select the circle, place here equally like this. You can also check this by making middle align center and make it horizontal align left. Okay, that's good. Now take line segment tool and draw a line left side of these circles. Again take line segment tool and draw a circle bottom side of the circles. Now select the line and copy it. Now rotate the line 4 to 5 degree angle. And place the line equal to the middle of the smaller circle. Okay, that's good. Again, copy the line by hold Alt and place here like this. Again, copy the circle by hold Alt and move this a little bit farther from the previous line like that. Okay, that's good. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool. Now draw the design on it. Do it carefully like this. Now select the design and move aside it from the design. Now turn the stroke color. Now select the design and give a gradient color, because if you use gradient color, you can understand the shadow of this design. Now we add a shadow on this design for look more better and realistic. For that, take ellipse tool and draw a circle. Turn off fill color of this circle. Now place this circle here perfectly. Okay, that's good. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool and just click here where you want to make shadow. Now delete the circle. Select everything and turn the stroke color of this design. Now use the gradient color on this logo. Perfectly use the gradient color on this logo. Okay, that's good. Now select the shadow part and copy it by following this method. Now use black color on this part. Also reduce the opacity of this part. Okay, that's good. Now select the design and make it group. So friends, this is our today's modern R-letter logo design video. How was this video? Please let me know your opinion about this logo in the comment box and tell me what type of design you want to see in the next tutorial.